Okay, so I am ready to start now. Okay, so what are the importance of soil? Why soil is important for us? Just see here. Soil is important for us because it holds the plant firmly. Okay, it holds the plant. Not only this one, it is home for many organisms. Okay, moreover to this, soil is essential for agriculture, and agriculture provides us food. Okay, so just I am going to write some of the importance of soil. Okay, you keep noting. Are you able to hear me? Okay, so I am starting now. Okay, so what is the first importance of soil? Number one is it supports growth of plant. It supports the supports the growth of plant. Okay, first one. Second one, it is shelter for many organism. Okay, next one, it it supplies it supplies water and nutrients. Water and nutrients. So it provides agricultural practices which is essential for food. Okay, so it is inseparable part of our life. Okay, so note down the things. First, I have started with the definition of soil. What is soil? Soil is one of the natural resource. Okay, and having mixture of rock particles and humus. So let it be any type of soil, it will have the mixture of rock particles and humus. Are you able to hear me? No issue. Okay, so what is the first one? Start with the definition of soil. Soil is nothing but a natural resource and having mixture of rock particles and humus. Just see, India is a very vast country, and you go in different areas, you will have the different types of soil. But let it be any types of soil, all soil will have the mixture of rock particles and humus. What is humus? Humus is the upper layer of soil which is very fertile, and it only supports the growth of crops. Okay, so humus has got a lot of importance. And always remember, whenever we are using manure or fertilizers or any other things, that upper layer of soil is only going to be affected, and that part is very very important for the growth of crops. Okay, so now let us discuss about the importance of soil. So what are the different importance of the soil? Number one, it supports the growth of plant. How it supports the growth of plant? It supports the growth of plant by providing water and nutrients to the plant. Okay, just try to understand. All plants have got thick or thin root. They have got the well developed root system. That root system only suck or absorb the water and minerals from the soil. Okay, so in this way it supports the growth of plant. It holds them firmly on the soil. Which one? Root system. Second one is it is shelter for many organisms. So just see, you might have seen earthworm, you might have seen some other insects, or you might have seen big or small animals. All are having their home in the different variety of soil. Okay, it supplies water and nutrients. Already I taught you. Next one is it provides agriculture practices which is essential for food. Which is essential for food. Food, clothing, etc. So just see. Suppose we need here jute, we need here cotton. So everything who is providing? Everything is provided by the soil only. Where cotton will be grown? Cotton will be grown in the soil. Jute will be grown in the soil. So what I want to convey you, let it be any types of crops, they will be grown in the soil only. That is why soil is the inseparable part of our life. Without soil, we can't imagine our life. Okay? Are you agree with me or not? What from where we are getting the water? We are getting water from the soil only. Sometime very deep below the earth, sometime in upper layer of the earth only. In sixth class, I taught you na aquifer. So many things I taught. Okay, in water chapter. At that time, I told you na that water table is very essential for the human beings. So these are the things which are related with the importance of the soil. Okay. Now let us move toward the another portion of this chapter, that is soil teeming with life. Okay. So this is one of the activity. Now let me rub this one. So I hope that you have written. Have you written or not? Okay. Shall I delete this one? Shall I delete? Just a minute. Shall I delete this one? Okay, no issue. I don't think any problem is there as far as the voice is concerned. Means I am completely audible. Okay, somebody is in the lobby. Let me take in. Acha, okay. But still it is showing. Okay. Okay. So I am rubbing and moving towards the another portion of this chapter. And don't worry, I will. Please, nobody should share. Who is sharing? Hello? Don't present. Hello? Who is that fellow? Nobody should share. Otherwise, what would be there? I will not admit such kind of fellow. Whatever things are told, just you adhere it. Okay? So I am rubbing now and will teach the another portion of this chapter. That is soil teeming with life. Okay. Nobody should present. Okay, so just see, I will rub now. So soil teeming with life. Okay, so here one activity is there. That activity we have to we have to discuss. Okay, so just to see, note down here, soil teeming with life. Okay, so here what is there? One activity you have to do. What is that activity? You have to collect the different samples of the soil. How you will collect the different samples of the soil? Okay, any problem? So how you will collect the different samples of the soil? Just see. You just collect the soil from the garden, from the roadside, from the site where construction work is on. Okay, and with the help of magnifying glass, try to see that what kind of animals are found in those different samples. So what you will see that in some soil sample earthworm is there, in another soil sample earthworm is not there, but another small animals are there. Okay, so what is the meaning of soil teeming with life? So meaning of this one is soil is soil is home for different different variety of animals, different variety of animals. Okay, so soil is home for different variety of animals. Okay, so with the help of this activity, what we have got now, it is not a very what to say different type of activity. What is there? What you should do? Just a minute. Any problem? Hello. Okay, so just to see once again, I am telling this activity. It is very simple activity. You collect the soil sample from different places, like from the garden, from the roadside, from the construction site. Okay, and now try to identify that what kind of animals or what kind of plants are growing in such kind of soil. So to to see the microorganism, you have to use the magnifying glass, so that easily you can understand, easily you can see that what kind of animals are found there. So in this way you can do this activity. Nothing is there in this activity. Now I am going to discuss one of the very important aspects of soil. So what are the things, what are the practices which pollute the soil? Now somebody is writing that your video is breaking. Actually from my side there is no problem with your signal, wi-fi signal or internet. In our side everything is okay. Okay, hello, hello, hello. Any problem? Hello. Okay. Okay, so I am going to teach you what factors polluting the soil are things which pollute the soil. Okay, so just see, just rub this one, write down here things things which pollute the pollute the soil. Okay, so what are the things which pollute the soil? The number one thing is polythene. Okay, polythene and different types of plastics, different types of different types of plastic, different types of plastic. Okay, this is the number one thing which this is the number one thing which pollute the soil. That is why what should be there, the use of plastic and polythene should be banned. Okay, and some of the states like Karnataka, they have initiated the process, they have initiated the process. So that is the first thing that pollute the soil. Second one is insecticide, insecticides and pesticide, pesticides. Okay, so do you understand the meaning of insecticide and pesticide? You might have seen the farmers are using one chemical substance on their crops to destroy the insects and some other things which harm their crops. Okay, so those chemical substances, insecticide and pesticides, they are chemical substances, chemical substances. So these chemical substances kill the harmful insects which may destroy their crops. So farmers are indiscriminately using insecticide, pesticides, and they pollute the soil very much. Okay, so their use should also be banned. Okay, what are the third things which pollute the soil? Excessive use of fertilizers, excessive use of fertilizers, fertilizers. Okay, just see, to increase the productivity of the crop, what is there, to increase the productivity of crop, to increase the fertility of the soil, what farmers are doing, they are using excessively what, fertilizers. They also pollute the soil, they also pollute the soil. So what is the remedy for this one? Instead of fertilizer, what should be there, manure should be used on the field so that the fertility of the soil can be restored. There is a one more thing, fourth one thing that also pollute the soil. What is that one? Industrial industrial waste, industrial waste. Okay, the industrial waste also pollute the soil in areas where so many industries are located. So what they are doing, they are draining their industrial waste to the soil, that also affect the fertility of the soil, and it also pollute the soil. So what should be there, these industrial waste should be discharged to the soil before treatment, means they should be treated. Okay, so that the harmful substance can be removed and afterwards they should be discharged to the soil. I hope that you understand. Hello, no issue. So please note down this one. Okay, any other issues? Okay, so once again I am explaining this one. So what are the things which pollute the soil? The number one thing is the polythene and different types of plastics. Nowadays what is there, without plastics and polythene we cannot imagine our life. So it is very difficult thing. It is very easy to write on the blackboard that polythene and different types of plastic should be banned. Actually substitute should be there, means if I am banning the polythene and different types of plastic, so what should be there, there one substitute should be ready in the market so that people should not have problem. Okay, So what is the substitute for polythene and different types of plastic? Jute bags. Okay, jute bags, paper bags. Okay, or another types of means another type of things which are made up of other than polythene and plastics. Okay, so such kind of things should be practiced. Okay, so polythene and different types of plastic, they are polluting the soil. Next one is insecticide and pesticides to increase the productivity of soil, to increase the fertility of the soil. Farmers are using insecticide and pesticide. You might have heard about the Punjab and Haryana and western UP. These farmers, they are using the insecticide and pesticide very much, and because of that underground water is also getting polluted, and now people are eating those foods and suffering from the cancer. Okay, so insecticide and pesticide use should also be banned. Okay, now excessive use of fertilizers. Now you might have heard about the IFCO, Gromor, DAP. Okay, diammonium phosphate. These are the fertilizers, and farmers are using and polluting their soil. So what should be the remedy for this one? Organic manure should be used instead of fertilizer. Industrial waste, nowadays what is there? There is a fast industrialization process, because industry only gives us employment. Okay, so when industry is there, then only employment will be generated. But there is a side effect of this one also. What is that side effect? That industrial waste which are discharged to the soil, they pollute the soil. So these are the things which pollute our soil, so their use subsequently should be banned. Okay, I hope I am audible to you and visible to you. Okay, so have you written this one? Okay, shall I delete this one? Okay, okay. So, okay. So just here, till here I have taught. Now I am going to give you questions. Whatever questions means whatever topic today I have discussed, related questions I and the soil profile, another one thing I will teach tomorrow. Okay, okay, okay. Video or audio? I am trying. Okay, okay. So now I am audible and visible to you. Okay. Sometime, sometime what is there? Network issues are also okay. Okay. Oh, little bit signal problem is there. Okay, just don't worry. I will use my data. Okay. Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay. I am going to give you question. Don't worry. First, let me. Okay. Am I audible? Just a minute. Hello, 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 Spurti. Hello, hello. Video is just a minute. Just a minute now. It is just a minute. Just a minute. Wait. Just a minute. Okay. Now okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Now. It is getting okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. I am trying. Actually, signal problem is even if I am using my data, then also problem is there. Okay. Now what to do? Sometime it gets stuck. Okay. 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 Let's see whatever I have taught today. Just you note down this one. There is a little bit problem, isn't it? Okay. 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 Just a minute. I'm trying. Just a minute. There is some signal problem. Okay. Okay. I'm ending the meeting. There is some problem. It is not responding actually. Some signal issues are there. So now it is clear.